Okay, guys, try out this strategy and you're going to see how profitable you can be, okay, in your trading activities, okay? So I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing strategy and see how you can increase your profitability level whenever you are trading, okay? So this is very, very important, and it is also important that you follow every instruction in this video so that you will get it right, okay? But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? So if you have any question at all, kindly drop a question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp, okay? So let's go straight into what we are right here. So like I have been saying in most of my videos, if you have been able to master the art of trend trading, then you are most likely to be making profit all the time in your trading activities, or probably you increase your profitability level whenever you are trading, okay? So this is very, very important. So I'm going to quickly use two major instruments as an example for you right here. So like I have been saying, if you can get the right trade, definitely you will milk the market for a very long time. So this particular asset actually got to this resistance zone at this point, okay? It was unable to break out from there, and of course you can see it was on uptrend right from this support zone, and it got to this level, was unable to break out from there. So right from there, because it's unable to break out from here, it started a downtrend, and of course it's very clear that these are a downtrend at this point. And even the custom made indicator which I am using on the chart also gave us the same signal, which is the downtrend signal. You can see that is where it shows the red color right here. It is the downtrend signal, and it gave us an entry point, which is the sell point right from here. So which means you can easily come in at this point, okay? You can easily come in at this point, okay? So you can imagine this is 15-minute time frame, okay? This is 15-minute time frame, which means all these candles, okay, each of them took 15 minutes to be created. So this is a long trading um opportunity for everyone that actually follow this signal, okay, or this strategy, okay? So the trend is just starting at this point, okay, and that is how sharp the indicator is, okay? The indicator also gave us the signal right from the beginning of the trend signal right from the beginning of the trend, and it also gave us the entry point signal at the beginning, guys. So that's so amazing. Now check it out. Let's see the outcome of this particular result, okay? It went down, got to this region, had pullback. Like I've always been telling you, okay, just because a particular asset is on a particular trend does not mean there won't be pullback. There will be pullback, and sometimes the market can even misbehave and even take you away from that trend into another trend, okay? But in most cases, you are most likely to get it right. So for you to understand the trend, you need to know how to identify the trend right from the beginning. If you cannot do that, you need some trading tools that can help you to achieve this, okay? There are some free trading tools on the chart. However, in order for me to be sure of the trend, I am using a custom made indicator, okay? So if you're having a custom made indicator like this, you can also use it, okay? So but personally, I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and of course right from here, from this beginning, it gave me an entry point, and of course it also gave me a trend signal. So the entry point is in line with the trend that it has given to me, and from the look of things, this is coming from a major resistance zone, which means if it's not breaking out above it, then definitely it should go on a downtrend. That is, it should change the direction of the trend from an uptrend to a downtrend, and that's what happened. So all these things are actually in line with the custom made indicator. So what should I do? then I should follow the sell signal. The sell signal came out from here, and of course, I placed an order. If you place an order around here, like I've always been telling you, your risk management should be in place. Okay, so I will always advise you to put your stop loss at the resistance zone. Okay, so this will give you room to play around and see if it will hit the stop loss or probably go in the direction of your trend. And as you can see, it actually played out in the direction of the trend, and it went down till it got to this region, broke out from the last support region, and even gave us an opportunity to sell more. This is huge, guys. You might not really understand how huge this is until you do your calculations. Let's do it together, okay? So this is about 215 candles, and that is 57,610 points. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. Okay, that is 97,610 points and 115 candles. Okay, 115 candles means that 115 times 15 minutes. Okay, we give you the total hours or minutes spent to achieve this trading level. Okay, you can see how huge the profit is if you had followed the trend. Now let's quickly check this. Okay, this is the next 1200. I've always been telling you, if you follow or master the trend trading strategy, you will always get it right. That is, you are most likely to be making profits all the time. Okay, so this actually got to the support zone, got there around here, tried to move up but was unable to go fully into an uptrend, went back down again till it got to this support zone, still unable to break out below it, and of course change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. You can see the yellow color. It shows that the market is on uptrend at this point, and of course this gave us a blue arrow at this point, which is a buy signal. And of course this particular signal is in line with the uptrend signal that we got, and of course this is coming from a major support zone, and it's unable to break out from that major support zone. So what does this mean? It means that it's going to buy for long, and you can see it's bought for a very long time. This is also on 15 minutes time frame. You can check it out. It has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from here, and this is trying to change the direction of the trend into a downtrend right now. Okay, so guys, this is another opportunity for you to sell for a very long time. Okay, and of course, if you are having the indicator, I'm very sure you should have set up your trade right now. Definitely, you should set up your stop loss at this point, and of course you can put in your entry point. If you have not entered before, I will advise you to come in at this point. Okay, so if you come in at this point, you can set your TPs to somewhere here, make the first TP around here, then you can create more TPs later on. Okay, let me see if I can create more. You can put another one here. This is 15-minute time frame, so you have enough room to make a lot of profits. Okay, within the TPs region. Okay, so these are the TPs highlighted, and of course if it breaks out from here, then we are most likely to get it around this region. However, I will put it somewhere here because I love taking my TPs before getting to the major support or resistance region. Okay, so this is very, very important. You guys can follow up with this, and of course trade carefully, practice very well on your demo account. Make sure you are able to perfect these skills very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you want to enjoy the free signals, you can join the Telegram channel. The link will be there in the description box below this video. I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.